Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today I'm going to do an Amazon haul unboxing. I've ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon that I'm going to review on this channel, and I'm going to unbox it right here, and then I'll make a video later on about some of the things that are in the box. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am with this humongous box, and I have forgotten what some of the stuff actually is in this box because you know I've slept since then. But I know there's some products that I want to review for wigs, some wig products, and I've got a new video camera, and I'm real excited about this because I've been making all my videos on an iPhone, and I've about crashed my phone a couple of times just simply because there's so many videos on that. So I got a couple of things like that to work on for the channel. So here's all this stuff that you get. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is the toothpaste that I use. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. This is my Magic Mud Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. I don't know if y'all have ever used this product, but I use it religiously. After I went through menopause, I became allergic to that sodium lauryl sulfate in toothpaste. So I searched and searched and searched, and this is pretty organic. It's activated charcoal, and I really like it. The only negative thing about it is if you spit, you have to spit way close to the drain because it's black when you put it on. But as far as the feel and the texture of it and the taste, it feels pretty good, and it doesn't taste half bad. Now, does it taste like my Crest that I love and my Arm & Hammer baking soda? It doesn't, but it's spearmint or peppermint or something, wintergreen, something like that, and it's really pretty good. So there's that. This I've been really excited about. This is Peace Out. This is a styling cream for synthetic wigs. Yes, I have been real excited about that. I want to work on a wig on camera, and I want to use this on the wig, and I'm going to be doing a video about that. I would have done one this week, but the stuff just came in today. So there you go. I also got an SD card for my video, for my camcorder, and I got some shampoo and conditioner by Brandywine. I'm going to be trying this out on a couple of the products. I do have some styling hairspray coming, but it's not here in the box, doggone it. So that's supposed to be here tomorrow. But I got this, which is a new tripod. I'm so excited about this. I can't. Okay, so I've cut the box open, so let's get this out and see. Oh, it comes in this nice little case. Love this thing. And here's the tripod. So, woohoo! I am so excited about this. I just can't wait to put this thing to use and see what it's going to do. I feel like I'm in Hollywood or something with this thing. I'm just excited that my iPhone and my computer are probably not going to crash now that I have this SD card that I can store things on. So there's that. And the last thing is the camcorder. So let me get this thing out and see what this looks like. I am excited about this. Let's see. It was small, and it wasn't extremely expensive. So that was two things that I really like. Small, inexpensive. So there's my little book. I'll be needing that. It's got a little mini microphone. It's got a remote control. Yay! Plugs, various plugs, and it's got a battery. And here is the little camcorder. Let's get this thing out and look at it. Oh my goodness, this is small and very, very lightweight. Oh my goodness. I feel very official now that I've got this thing. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I can spy on my neighbors or something with this thing. I just wanted to do this quick little video today for fun for you guys. I'll be reviewing some of this stuff later on my channel, but I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it here while I had you guys to just kind of entertain while I was doing this because I didn't want to do it by myself. Hope you guys have a great day today. Visit my website, Ninja Life Coaching, and check out my book on Amazon, Lord, Am I Going Crazy? It's a 30-day devotional guide for women over 40. God bless. Maranatha. Woo!